Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on the 24th of September, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of September, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.10. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The exchange-traded fund is positioned near the upper part of a broad and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $489.13 will initially suggest a slower rate of decline, but it may also signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of negative 3.25% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 15.06% to negative 2.50%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 30.94% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 21.73% and 42.82%. This translates to a price range of $590.84 to $693.18 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ features the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for QQQ ETF Price After Tuesday Trading. On the last trading day, the QQQ ETF price increased by almost 0.5%, moving from $483.04 to $485.37. During that day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.28%, with a low of $480.17 and a high of $486.33. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 5.82% over the past 2 weeks. There was a rise in trading volume on the last day, which aligns positively with the price movement, with an additional 2 million shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 26 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $12.44 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF reached $503.52, while the lowest was $342.35. Currently, the price sits 3.60%, or $18.15, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ ETF reflect a positive outlook for both short-term and long-term investors. As of September 21st, the potential benefits of index-based ETFs are underscored, suggesting that consistent investments could generate significant returns, transforming $500 monthly into a substantial nest egg through the power of compounding. Additionally, the integration of artificial intelligence across industries promises to enhance efficiencies, indicating a bright future for tech stocks, which are the backbone of the QQQ. Furthermore, anticipation of a year-end rally is building, bolstered by favorable market conditions and strong performance indicators within tech sectors. The recent slowdown in inflation to 2.5% has reassured investors, creating a harmonious backdrop for stock appreciation. Simultaneously, the QQQ is exhibiting signs of a breakout, attracting attention as it remains poised within a range that suggests upward momentum. The conversation around potential Federal Reserve rate cuts adds another layer of intrigue as investors closely monitor how it might influence market dynamics. Collectively, these trends are likely to drive interest in QQQ, cultivating a robust long-term investment narrative. As investor confidence builds, expectations for QQQ's stock price appreciation look promising, potentially transforming it into a key vehicle for significant wealth accumulation over time. The following signals have been identified for the QQQ. Today, the chart indicates mostly positive signals. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $478.91 and $468.09. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 7, 2024, and thus far, the value has increased by approximately 11.64%. An upward trend is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, the trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal, 34 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 36 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 211 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, this exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level, with accumulated volume indicating support at $448.75 and $439.53. There is an inherent risk when an ETF tests a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF may drop to the next support level. In this instance, QQQ's immediate support is at $448.75. If this level fails, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. This ETF typically trades with substantial volume, and given the minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed low. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of $6.16, which is a change of 1.28% between its high and low. In the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 1.16%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a lack of optimism regarding the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could represent a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $491.93. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQ encounters its first support level at $448.75. If this support level holds, it could provide a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $467.99, reflecting a decline of 3.58%. This exchange-traded fund features low daily fluctuations, contributing to its low-risk profile. There is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 53 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators show positive signs. Even though the ETF is currently in a downward trend, we believe that the present level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the ETF to perform well in the near term. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 25th of September, we anticipate the QQQ will open lower by $1.41 and start trading at $483.96. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.